Most senior leaders believe that strong performance will naturally carry them to the next level. But here's the truth. Promotions, scale, and enterprise complexity are not the rewards of the best performers. They actually reward the prepared ones. And preparation is something you have to do intentionally. Hi, I'm Dr. Luigi Pecoraro, Chief Growth Officer at Next Level Leader Coaching. For more than 25 years, I've worked with senior executives and Fortune 500 organizations, previously leading executive education at 3 different universities, University of Arizona's Eller College, Southern Methodist University's Cox School of Business, and Case Western Reserve University's Weatherhead School of Management. My work has been in the area of leadership development and executive coaching. And where I sit is at the intersection of real-world business complexity and solving those problems with evidence-based research from a university setting. Today, I want to share 3 principles for developing executives who are ready for what comes next. Point 1, translate performance into broader influence. High performers often assume that those results they're getting alone will earn them the next role, but they won't. At senior levels, decision makers aren't looking for another excellent doer. They're looking for someone who can articulate a 3 to 5 year vision for the business. Your job is to translate your accomplishments into a compelling story about where the organization can go and how your broader influence can take it there. As Albert Einstein said, imagination is more powerful than knowledge. And as humans, we have the capacity to see the future before it actually is reality. So it's not just execution that gets you to the next level. It's foresight and strategy. Point 2, build learning agility at scale. Static leadership models are finished. Scaling is the ability to adapt, unlearn, and relearn faster than the market changes. As your scope grows, the problems stop having clean, clear answers. Learning agility is the discipline and capacity to process new information in situations of ambiguity, absorbing feedback quickly, and pivoting without losing your overall strategic direction and goal. The leaders I see who succeed at scale aren't necessarily the smartest ones in the room. They're the fastest to integrate new information and adjust their plans and strategies. Point 3, lead through shared leadership, not hierarchical authority. Enterprise complexity cannot be managed alone, especially through compliance. The myth of the solitary executive also breaks down the moment you're accountable for multiple functions, geographies, and stakeholders. The leaders who thrive build interconnected relationships across the organization and think about how the whole ecosystem works together as one. They invest time in their peers, sponsors, and emerging talent because they understand that collaboration isn't just a soft skill at this level, it's a competitive advantage. It accelerates execution, builds resilience, especially when disruption hits. So remember, developing executives for promotion, scale, and enterprise complexity comes down to 3 things. Translate your performance into broader influence, build and develop learning agility, quickly as your operating system, and lead through shared leadership. The question isn't if change is coming, it's whether you're ready for what comes next. Start preparing now.